on the next Project C10.
All right, so you got the cab on the frame. Now, you did a lot of wet sanding and buffing. Obviously, you had to get the firewall. Where are you at right now?
Well, the firewall was good enough now to get it onto the chassis, and then that enables the guys to get stuff done around the engine area, the interior, things like that, while I'll focus on the wet sanding and buffing on the panels. Like I said, so I'm trying to get the cab done so I can get out of these guys' way,
right?
So they can keep doing stuff on that, and then I'm going to go back over and start doing panel by panel as they need it, wet sand and buff each panel, hand it off to them and for installation.
Compressed good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do a little bit of a recap, see where we're at right now. We've got the cab painted, both inside and out. We've got the engine drivetrain in place. We just picked up the drive shaft. Now we're going to work on getting the power brake booster, brake system loaded up, and then also the steering column and get the steering loaded up. So we've got two things going on at once. So the mechanical side of things, where we're going to be doing the brakes, the steering, AC, wiring, and all of that. And then we also have still the body panels, the rest of the pieces to the truck that are going through the process of being wet sanded and buffed. So we've got guys over here working on the mechanical side. I'm focused on the paint and body to get that done so I can keep up with these guys. So as when they're ready, okay, I'm ready for the inner fenders, they're ready to be bolted on, and they're just sitting around waiting for that to get done. A lot of work's gone into it, and you just keep grinding and grinding, and all of a sudden now you start seeing a little bit of results. When you're in this last quarter, I call it, of a build, this is the most exciting and fun time.
Yeah.
So things come together, and it all really boils down to how much work you put into it before you got here is to the ultimate payoff.
Right.
And I think not only we're going to like it, I think other people are going to like it too.
I agree. But we got lots more to come next week. Panels should be going back on, start working on the interior, the wiring, get the carpet in. I mean, we're not that far off.
No, not at all. Hopefully within a month or so, we're done.
Yep. Stay tuned.
Yep.